Latin American countries have been shaping their policies through regulation, basically shaped through the Avias Data tradition, which has been the Latin American tradition, mostly inspired in European regulations, or heavily inspired in European regulations. We've seen a number of countries coming out recently, in recent years, coming out with new regulations, data protection laws, some of them inspired still in a European model. I think there's a need for a common approach in Latin America, and I think that common approach should be based in basic principles. I think we should agree in basic principles. I think we should follow the good work that has been done in the OECD with the revision of the guidelines in 2013. I think that's a good model of how to approach privacy in a global economy age, in a digital economy age. I think we should look to regulations that are technology neutral. I think we have to agree on basic principles, promoting trust, promoting transparency, giving a big importance to accountability in the shaping of new regulations across Latin America. And I think that should enable Latin American countries to have solid regulations, to have an effective protection of consumers in Latin America, but to foster creativity and allow transfers of data, which are, of course, the main way of promoting a digital economy. So I think we should have a regional approach, but I think that regional approach needs not to be very prescriptive. It needs to be based basically in principles which we all can agree to and which are sound and solid to protect consumers.